Hi, I'm Hannah Lay, Traffic Operations Engineer with the City of Fairfield Public Works Department, and you're watching Street Smarts. We are currently here at the City of Vallejo, where HAWKS have already been installed to help you learn how to properly use an intersection with an installed HAWK beacon. The HAWK signal normally shows dark indications to vehicular traffic until a pedestrian activates the signal by pushing the pedestrian button to cross. Dark indications means vehicles are allowed to proceed through the intersection without stopping. After activation, pedestrians will see a solid "Don't Walk" symbol while the HAWK signal head will begin to flash yellow. The HAWK signal head will display a solid yellow, indicating to drivers that the signal will soon turn red. During this time, pedestrians will still see a "Don't Walk" symbol on the pedestrian signal head. After the HAWK signal turns solid red, the pedestrian signal changes to the "Walk" symbol. Using caution, the pedestrian is now able to start crossing the intersection. After the walk phase, a flashing "Don't Walk" symbol accompanied by a countdown will appear on the pedestrian signal head. Pedestrians who are already crossing should utilize this time to finish crossing, and new pedestrians should not begin entering the crosswalk. While the pedestrian is crossing, vehicular traffic will see a flashing red indication on the HAWK signal. This means all vehicles must come to a complete stop before proceeding through the intersection, as long as there are no pedestrians within the crosswalk. Once the pedestrian signal head completes its countdown, the solid "Don't Walk" symbol will return and the HAWK signal will go dark for vehicular traffic until another pedestrian activation occurs. Now, let's return to Fairfield to discuss the exciting plans for our city. The City of Fairfield will be installing the High Intensity Activated Crosswalk, or HAWK for short, at the following intersections: Pennsylvania and Empire Street, Travis Boulevard and Clay Street, North Texas Street and Wisconsin Street, North Texas Street and Oak Street, East Travis Boulevard and Phoenix Drive. Construction is anticipated to begin in March of 2024 and will take about 2 to 3 months to complete. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Street Smarts. Catch you on the next one.
To view more programs like this, follow the City of Fairfield on YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook.